Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Absolut Repair Lipidium is probably one of the most talked about hair care products in the beauty community. Today, we're diving deep into this L'Oreal professional line to see if it lives up to the hype. We'll explore its unique lipidium technology, designed to reconstruct and strengthen damaged hair. Is it the holy grail for dry, brittle locks? Let's find out if this product can truly transform your hair from the inside out. Number 5. K18 Hair Mask, repairs damaged hair. Is your hair dry and damaged? This product is designed to help. It can reverse the damage caused by bleach, color treatments, and heat styling. This leave-in molecular hair mask is formulated to repair your hair. It works to restore your hair to its healthy state. Whether it's from chemical services or heat, this mask can help. It's designed to target and repair the damage at a molecular level. This product is easy to use and effective. Apply it to your hair and let it work its magic. Get ready to experience healthier, stronger hair. This mask will leave your hair feeling revitalized and looking its best. What we like? This product repairs hair at the molecular level. It reverses damage from bleach, color, and heat. If you're looking for a product that deeply repairs and restores your hair's health from the inside out, this is the one for you. What people say. K18 uses a patented technology that works from the inside out. After 4 treatments, my hair now feels different, although the greatest results came after the very first use. It uses a patented peptide, K18 peptide, that literally reconnects broken polypeptide chains in your hair. It doesn't just make your hair feel soft temporarily. It rebuilds it. Number 4. L'Oreal Absolut Repair Shampoo, for dry, damaged hair. Are you tired of dry and damaged hair? This shampoo is designed to repair and nourish your hair. It will leave your hair feeling soft and looking shiny. The shampoo is enriched with a nourishing protein formula. This helps to rebuild the hair fiber and restore its health. It works to deeply condition your hair. This shampoo effectively repairs damage caused by heat, styling, and environmental factors. It penetrates deep into the hair to provide intense repair. You'll notice a significant improvement in your hair's condition. Not only does it repair, but it also provides a beautiful shine. The shampoo smooths the hair's surface, reflecting light for a radiant look. Your hair will look healthier and more vibrant. This shampoo is specifically formulated for dry and damaged hair types. It gently cleanses while providing essential nutrients. It's the perfect solution for restoring your hair's natural beauty. What we like? This shampoo is packed with nourishing proteins. It repairs damage and adds shine to your hair. If you have dry and damaged hair and want a daily shampoo that provides both repair and shine, consider this. What people say. The product works. Hair feels amazing. Hair is soft and manageable. Number 3. L'Oreal Absolut Repair Hair Mask. Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? This mask is designed to help. It deeply hydrates and repairs, bringing life back to your hair. This treatment is packed with nourishing proteins. They work to rebuild and strengthen each strand from within, leaving it healthier. The mask provides intense hydration. It also works to repair the damage caused by styling and environmental factors. Not only does it repair, but it also adds shine. You'll notice a visible improvement in the overall look and feel of your hair. This mask is specifically formulated for dry and damaged hair. Regular use will help restore your hair's natural beauty and vitality. What we like? This hair mask provides a nourishing protein treatment. It deeply hydrates and adds shine to your hair. If you like a weekly treatment to intensely repair and revitalize your dry and damaged hair, this is perfect for you. What people say. The product works. Hair feels amazing. Hair is soft and manageable. Number 2. Nutrafol Women's Hair Growth Supplements. Are you looking for visibly thicker and stronger hair? This supplement is clinically proven to help. It's designed to support hair growth and improve hair health. This product is recommended by dermatologists. They trust its formula and its ability to deliver real results. Try it and see the difference. This supplement is specifically formulated for women between the ages of 18 and 44. It addresses the unique needs of this age group. It's a great choice for your hair health. Each package provides a 1-month supply. This gives you a chance to experience the benefits. Start your journey to healthier hair today. The product's effectiveness is backed by clinical studies. The results show significant improvements in hair thickness and strength. You can trust this product to deliver. What we like. This supplement promotes visibly thicker and stronger hair. It's clinically proven to deliver results. If you are looking for a supplement to improve hair growth and overall hair health, you should consider it. What people say. The product works. Hair feels amazing. Hair is soft and manageable. Number 1. L'Oreal Absolut Repair 10-in-1 Oil. Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? This oil is designed specifically for that. It will help to restore your hair's natural shine and vitality. This multi-benefit hair oil from L'Oreal Professional Paris is a game changer. It's packed with nourishing ingredients to transform your hair. This oil offers 10 amazing benefits. It repairs damage, provides shine, and so much more, all in one easy-to-use product. The Absolut Repair Oil deeply nourishes and repairs your hair. It penetrates the hair shaft to restore its health and strength. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless hair. This oil will leave your hair looking and feeling healthier, shinier, and more manageable. What we like. This 10-in-1 oil offers multiple benefits for your hair. It repairs damage and provides shine. If you are looking for a versatile product that can repair damage, add shine, and provide multiple benefits in one go, you should consider it. What people say. The product works. Hair feels amazing. Hair feels soft and manageable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.